She's ready love, but the money's elastic. She's ready love, but she knows that I gotta be trusted. She's ready love, but the money's elastic.
Hello there, you join us on the Bike India channel, and today we will be reviewing the Cardo Spirit HD. This is an entry-level helmet intercom system, and we've been sent this unit by Big Bad Bikes in Bengaluru. For the past few weeks, we've been testing this on one of our helmets. This is the unit, and right now, allow me to tell you what exactly this thing offers and if it's worth your money. The urge to stay connected in the modern world is strong, maybe even overwhelming, but shoving a phone into the helmet is not the solution. The Cardo Spirit HD offers many useful features including Bluetooth-enabled smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth-enabled intercom, and an FM radio. And all of these features can be used for up to 13 hours of a single charge. How well this Cardo system works depends on two things. One, how much wind noise does the helmet allow inside? And second, have you installed the speaker and the microphone properly? For the installation, we will leave a link to a detailed video in the description below. Assuming you have followed the installation video quite well, the speakers and the microphone are in the right place, as is the unit. And all things considered, the Cardo Spirit HD works quite well. Even at max volume for the music, ambient noise is still prevalent. And that is a very important thing while riding a motorcycle because your safety depends on it. The phone calls are uninterrupted and the microphone does a splendid job of catching just your voice and eliminating any wind noise. We were not able to try the Cardo to Cardo intercom pairing because we didn't have another Cardo unit, but I managed to pair this one to similar products from other manufacturers, and the Bluetooth intercom was good for a quarter mile, which is, I think, more than enough for an entry-level product like this one. For the level of usability and the quality of materials here, including the buttons and the finish of the overall product, I think the Cardo Spirit HD is immense value for rupees 13,700. And if you want to use this same kit in a couple of other helmets, then Big Bad Bikes also have an accessories kit where you get everything in this box except this unit that you can assemble in another helmet. Furthermore, this thing is completely waterproof, which only adds to its functionality. If you're in the market for an entry-level helmet intercom system, then the Spirit HD makes a lot of sense. Would you buy this one? Let us know in the comment section. And if you feel we haven't covered something about this, again, feel free to ask us and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, this is Joshua signing off for Bike India. Until next time.